Hemlane is a cloud-based property management platform designed to help landlords manage, lease, rent collection, maintenance and tenant screening, all in one place. It offers workflows for automation which can save you time during the leasing process. One of its strengths is its flexible pricing, including options for different levels of management involved. Hemlane also provides tools that assist with showing coordination and maintenance tracking. The platform is user-friendly, but still feature-rich. However, some users report a steep learning curve due to the platform's depth. Customization options can also feel limited in certain areas. Pricing may be high compared to simpler tools, but it is a good price for all its functionality. Mobile functionality is all more web-based than app-driven. Customer support experiences can vary. Some users experience great service, however, others experience bad service. Hemlane works well for landlords managing multiple properties. It bridges the gap between basic and advanced management systems. Smaller landlords may not fully utilise its full capabilities, so for them, they may find a better alternative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.